8 divided by 1/2 times 2. At first glance, you might say these 2's cancel each other out, giving us 1 here. 8 divided by 1 will give us 8. But that would be incorrect. Let's try that again. To solve this problem, we need to talk about the order of operations, PEMDAS. This tells us the order that we do this problem in. But this one's a little bit tricky because there are no parentheses, there are no exponents, there's multiplication and division, but no adding and subtracting. The multiplication and division have equal priority, but that doesn't mean we can do whichever one first. They have equal priority, but we have to start from the left and go to the right. This would be the same thing if there's adding and subtracting. You must start on the left side, move to the right side. So now we're going to start with a division here on the left side, 8 divided by 1/2. To do this, we need to keep in mind, keep, change, flip. This tells us that we keep the first number the same, or we change the division to multiplication, and then we flip the fraction, making it 2 over 1, or just 2. We also bring that times 2 down here. Next, we say 8 times 2 is 16, and then 16 times 2 is 32. So the answer to our equation today is 32.